Lotlot de Leon inalala ang nasabi nga pong mga panahon ng kasama niya si Ricky Davao at kung paano nga ba naging close sa family niya ang nasabi nga pong aktor at ang kanyang ina. Bukod sa tito si Ricky Davao ng kanyang mga anak, saan nga ba nag-start ang nasabi nga pong closeness na kung saan ay talagang minahal si Ricky Davao ni Lotlot, 10 ng kanyang mga anak. Kwento ni Lotlot de Leon sa kanyang Facebook page. Nakilala ko si Kuya Ricky when I was very young. He would frequent our house dahil sa mga pelikulang ginawa nila ni Mommy and they were very very good friends. Little did I imagine fast forward to many years that he will really be a part of my life because of Ate Jackie. To many, he was an outstanding actor and director, one of the best in our industry. But to me, he was Kuya Ricky. Plus, he was fondly called by my kids Tito Ninong. As time went by, we got closer and he would never miss out on greeting me for any occasions. We would have our personal kwentuhans about life and on not so good days, he would always remind me that everything was gonna be okay. He was also very fond of Janine, Jessica, Diego, and my Maxine. He would always have that proud uncle smile when he knows that my kids are doing well. He's always the proud and happy Tito Nong. Patuloy ni Lotlot, his passing has left a dent in my heart, our family's heart, but I know for sure in heaven where he is, he will always be watching over us. To his children, my pamangkins, I'm deeply sorry for your loss, but knowing all of you and how strong and beautiful you all are, that's Kuya Ricky's heart shining through all of you. I know how proud he is, all of you too. To Kuya Ricky's family and to my dear Ate Jackie, isang mahigpit na yakap. I love you. Please to all of you, our friends, kindly include our family and our loved ones who have gone in your prayers. That little whisper of prayer will go a long way for all of us. Sa huling part ng mensahe ni Lotlot, ay makikita mo ang lubos-lubos na pagdadalamhati nito sa pagkawala ni Ricky Davao. Dahil hindi lang ito basta naging tito sa kanya, kundi talagang si Ricky Davao ay isa sa nagmahal sa kanilang pamilya. At lubos-lubos ang pagdadalamhati niya, lalong-lalo na sa naiwan ng nasabi nga pong aktor sa kanyang mga pamangkin, sila Ara, Ricky May, ganun din naman sa ex-wife nito na si Jackie Lublanco. Humingi din ng panalangin si Lotlot de Leon para sa kanilang pamilya na lubos na nagdadalamhati dahil talaga namang ilang pamilya mahal sa buhay ang nawala sa kanila. Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.